Meaning of dusty.
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 Dusty. The word dusty describes something covered in or producing dust. Dust is made up of tiny particles that accumulate on surfaces and can cause allergies or respiratory issues if inhaled. A dusty object or environment may appear dull, faded, or dirty due to the layer of dust covering it. It can also indicate neglect or a lack of maintenance. In extreme cases, excessive dust buildup can pose a fire hazard or damage electronic equipment. Overall, dusty implies an unclean or unkempt state and suggests the need for cleaning or upkeep.